Hi guys, today I'm playing some Slime RNG. I'm not, oh, by the way, I saw one of my comments in my Slime RNG video. Thank you, bro. See? Okay. Also guys, thank you all.
It's really good.
Excuse me? We don't attack our food. We use a spoon.
What? Our angel of the sun, W. Mother, father, exquisite as always. He's literally just soup. Oh my gosh. Now that you've seen it going perfectly, now would you like to try? Yeah, wow, he's so soup. Look.
Was that all?
I think she meant to do this, father. He spilled it on the plate. How did I get in trouble and I just like took a normal bite? Do you mind if I show you exactly how they want you to sip soup? Sure. Make sure to put it like this. My brother does this all the time. Why did you do that? Mother, she spilled her soup on her dress. No, I didn't. It's really good.
Excuse? So what's Roger said?
What's this? What's this? There's players everywhere. What's this? There's metals in the air. What's this? I can't believe my eyes. There's a new update. Oh yes, this will be so great. What's this? What's this? What's this? We waited so long. What's...
Oh, please. What's your secret, guy?
Either way, guys, I'm just thankful for a tiny bit more subscribers. By the way, this video will be kind of short. It's because of one reason. It's because I need to play the new update. The battleground. Okay. RNG gods bless me. Woo. Please bless me. Oh, dang it. Maui. Sorry, kind of sick. I'm under the weather today. Wee. And now that's the end. I'm just telling it's short because of one reason. I want to play the Battlegrounds update. See ya!